This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Oh my goodness! This 3-story home has it all. 5 bedrooms, separate office, game room, loft, dining room, living room, and great room. Luxury plank vinyl flooring downstairs. Kitchen features granite, large pantry, open shelving. Open floorplan family room with surround sound, stacked stone gas fireplace, and open shelving. Second floor primary bedroom with sitting area, 2 walk-in closets, double sinks. Dual zone HVAC. View of sprawling farmland. Community has walking trails, outdoor gym, and playground. Adjacent to Eagle Creek Golf Course and Clubhouse, plus a neighborhood bakery/CAF, which is a favorite gathering place. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.